Hello dear fans. How to measure humidity. Air humidity is measured using a special device, a hygrometer. But what if you don't have such a device, and the humidity needs to be determined, at least approximately? Use a simple tip for determining the relative humidity of the air. Instructions. Step 1. To measure humidity without using a hygrometer, fill a regular glass with cold water and place it in the freezer of your refrigerator for 30 to 60 minutes. It is important to cool the water down to a temperature not exceeding 5 degrees Celsius. Step 2. After the water has cooled down, you should remove the glass from the refrigerator and place it in the room where you want to determine the humidity. Now you need to observe for several minutes. If the walls of the glass become dry after 3 to 5 minutes, then the humidity level in the room is low. If the walls of the glass remain wet after 3 to 5 minutes of observation, then the humidity level is average. If after 3, 4, 5 minutes, water flows down the walls of the glass, which means that the humidity level in the room is high. Thanks for watching.